Once upon a time, a merchant traveled through the forest with his camel. The camel fell ill, and the merchant, feeling it was a burden, abandoned the poor creature. Left on its own, the camel grazed on whatever it could find and soon recovered, feeling content in the wild. In the same forest lived a lion, a fox, and a crow united in friendship. They heard about the camel and decided to investigate. Upon meeting the camel, they listened to its tale of abandonment and sickness before welcoming it into their circle. One unfortunate day, the lion was badly injured while hunting an elephant. Unable to venture out of his den, he was left starving, along with his loyal friends. The lion, in his desperation, called upon the fox, the crow, and the camel. "Mr. Fox," said the lion, "we need food. Go in this direction to find something." Turning to the crow, he commanded, "Mr. Crow, fly the opposite way." Finally, he addressed the camel. "Mr. Camel, tread the opposite path to the crow and bring us sustenance." Each friend set off in the direction instructed. However, the forest yielded no food, leaving the lion's friends empty-handed. Upon their return, they faced a grave situation. The fox was first to speak. "Your Majesty, despite searching relentlessly, I found no food. Allow me to offer myself to end your starvation." The crow interjected, "No, dear lion, I may be small, but I offer myself to your service. Let me end your hunger." Finally, the camel spoke. "Your Honor, I am the largest and can satisfy not only your hunger but also our friends. I am willing to sacrifice myself." Despite their noble declarations, as soon as the camel offered his sacrifice, the lion and fox betrayed him, pouncing upon the unsuspecting camel swiftly. Moral: even amongst friendships, the cunning can fulfill their selfish desires at the expense of trust. Be wary of those who offer empty support, as true nature reveals itself under pressure.